Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very basic Java integration. What is the difference between class path and path? Path and class path are operating system level environment variables. Path is used to define where the system can find the executables .exe files, and class path is used to specify the location of the Java classes. Okay, zip files. Inside the jar zip files you will find only Java classes. Actually speaking, you are helping Java virtual machine to find the Java classes. To simply say, the variable the path is helping the operating system, whereas the class path is helping the JVM. Okay, the path is helping the operating system to find out the exact exes. Okay, let's see how to set the class path and path. So if you go to environment variable, okay, advanced system environment variable, what happens is here you have the path. I have the path variable and the corresponding variable value I have given. And if you go to the path, okay, you can see here I have given the class path. Okay, this is class path and that is path. So from here the jar files will be taken. So that's why from C drive, from D drive, okay, and from E drive I'm able to access. So anywhere I type Java version, I'm able to access that java.exe file. So D drive, E drive, C drive. That means operating system is able to find out java.exe from this folder. Okay, from this folder. That's where class variable, this class path variable and path variable comes into picture. So C drive, I just type java minus version. So if you go to C drive directly, you don't see any java.exe. But since we have set the path variable, operating system is able to find out where the java.exe, and it's able to execute this command java minus version. If you remove this path variable and class variable, it will say command not found. Okay, you will be getting an error. So why are we setting the Java path? These .exe files can be accessed only from this path. Okay, even you can run Java programs without setting the path. The main thing is you need to type your program inside here. You have to traverse to this path and then only you can do it, because java.exe, javac.exe are available only inside this folder. We need to set path because we need to access java.exe, javac.exe, all the files which are required to Java program. Run Java program anywhere in your computer. C:\D:\E:. I just showed you how it's able to access java.exe without traversing to this path. If we set path, then all exe files which are inside this folder will be available throughout all the drives. So you can Java programs from anywhere in your computer. You write the code anywhere in your computer and you can start compiling and running. Why are we setting the class path? For running Java programs, it is not necessary to set class path. It is necessary only when you use classes from third party. Okay, let's take an example for JDBC driver. So I have a jar here, a MySQL connector. Okay, if you extract the above jar, you can find driver class, connection interface, result set, all these packages. Okay, com, MySQL, JDBC driver, connection. We need these classes and interface in all the drives. That is the reason behind we are setting the class path. You can even create a Java class file with a method, and you can set that class file in class path so that you can access that method in all the drives. So class path is like you have some dependency and you want to access, okay, the JVM. You are helping the JVM to find out the class so that JVM can load that class inside the JVM and start running. So if you don't have a class path, if you don't have this location of this jar in the class path, what you will be getting is, if you run a application with this code, Java application with this code, then it will say class not found exception. Class not found exception, that means JVM saying it's not able to find the class that you mentioned here in any of your path. So immediately you should go to the Java class path and set it. You are telling to JVM that, boss, you can find this MySQL connector Java in this particular drive. Okay, so it will go and find out. So that's where we are helping the JVM to find out the class path. Hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please press the like and subscriber button. Thank you.